Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you that how to make clock using Python. So let's get started. So firstly we have to import Kinter module. We have import Kinter. Directly we can import from this method from Kinter import all and import from kinter.ttk import all, and after this we import time from time import strf time. We have imported all. After this we have created root for Kinter. Root is equal to tk, and let's root dot title, and let's say clock. We are making clock. After this let's create a label. Label is equal to label root, and then font we have to choose any font. We can choose let's choose DS digital font. DS digital. And after this let's choose size of this font. Then we choose 50. We're choosing 50, and after this background is equal to, let's say, black, quotes, and foreground let's say foreground will be green. After this pack label dot pack, and after this we have created this. After that we have to create function time. Let's create time function, and let's say str string is equal to strf time. Here we have to choose percentage h hour minute second. This format we have to choose. Then minute. After that second, and this is for this before PM and AM. After label is equal to not label dot config label dot config is equal to text equal to string, and after that label dot after, and after this we have choose let's say 1000 time. We have created this function, and let's call this function here time and let's close our loop. So type here main loop to close our loop of ticker module. Let's check this code is okay, and let's run this code. After that you can see that our clock is ready. Here you can change foreground and background color by making changes here. Let's say black, let's say this is green, and here we choose black or white. Okay, let's run. You can see our clock is ready and it is running perfectly.